Welcome. We are excited to have you here to explore and expand your English vocabulary. Provide detailed instructions. Get ready for our practice.
Instructions. Name the words before time runs out. Utensils. Cutting board. Cookware. Spice rack. Apron. Blender. Mortar. Plates. Wine glasses. Recipe book. Instructions. Read the story analyzing the use of the words. Culinary harmony, a kitchen tale. Practice directed at B2 level English vocabulary students. On a sunny Saturday afternoon, Laura decided to embark on a culinary adventure in her cozy kitchen. Donned in her comfortable apron, she began organizing her tools. She retrieved her utensils from a drawer and placed a beautiful cutting board on the countertop. Consulting her old recipe book, she sought inspiration to create something special. She chose a recipe that required the use of various cookware and aromatic spices. Opening her pantry, she selected some of her favorites, organizing them on her practical spice rack. As she chopped the ingredients on the cutting board, she enjoyed the pleasant aroma filling the kitchen. Opting for her reliable blender to create a smooth and delicious blend, she used her mortar to crush some fresh herbs for an extra touch. Laughter from her friends echoed through the house as she prepared dinner. Finally, the table was set with elegant plates and sparkling wine glasses. She served her culinary creation, and they toasted to an afternoon filled with flavors. The combination of tools, the recipe from the recipe book, and her family's culinary heritage made that afternoon an unforgettable moment. Instructions. Listen to the use of the words.
So she climbs up in the chair while the dentist is preparing utensils and things.
I finally found someone I can love. Good, clean love. Without utensils.
Cooking utensils. Utensils?
That side, the table and the utensils have been wiped clean.
Find my kitchen utensils anywhere.
Rick, could you please cut on the cutting board?
All right, now, you hold on to the cutting board and I'm going to slide it off. You ready?
Now what we need, a cutting board. Get a cutting board.
Cutting board, good knife, nice plate, bowl, whisk.
Cookware. Are you sure? In the cookware department, no less. Salary, $29,000 a year.
Just trying to sell the cookware.
Just the water?
I don't think we have the right cookware for that, though. Yeah.
Water?
Makes more sense to where I was keeping it. In an oregano jar in the spice rack.
Some spice rack?
I thought it was a spice rack. Can't latch the spice rack.
The spice rack.
No spices in your spice rack!
A spice rack!
Never judge a woman by her spice rack, Kara.
Check for stuff about Sri Lankan.
He even took out her apron and gloves.
You have to take a chainsaw to those apron strings, Gil.
Off that apron.
We were fooling in the kitchen and he was wearing his grandmother's apron.
Take off your apron.
Each.
Throw a movie in the VCR, mix you up a gooey blender drink.
You got the blender. CD player's mine.
You don't put the broccoli stems in the blender, just the flower heads.
Eleanor had a blender and she used to make me smoothies.
The white legacy is more than bricks and mortars.
And with a little Spartan help, your Persian scouts supplied the mortar.
Well, Mr. Hearst built a palace of brick and mortar and little wars and corpses piled high.
The mortar landed so close it could have dropped out of my ass.
Boys, clear your plates, please.
My wife will supply plates, knives, and forks.
Let's take things off our plate, so we...
Paper plates tonight. Any extra plates?
There ain't no wine glasses.
Danny, get the wine glasses without the stems, will you?
About wine glasses.
I'm going to use the 2005 Apple wine glasses Aunt Kathy gave us.
Let's get some wine glasses.
How'd you know Aunt Kathy gave us those wine glasses?
Boss, what's so important about a dumb recipe book?
Great aunt's recipe book.
Our recipe book? It's a recipe book and everything.
Thank you for joining us today. As you embark on your language journey, remember the importance of consistent practice. Keep honing your skills, and don't forget to check out our upcoming video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, as we'll be releasing more learning content to guide you on your path to becoming bilingual. Until next time, happy learning.